expecting paglaki. Okay, let me show you the difference of Live Good. Ano ba si Live Good? Kasi with Live Good, wala na. Tinanggal na yung overpriced products. Yes, magaganda yung quality ng mga products natin pero magugulat ka sa presyo, napakabababa. As I would describe it, almost factory price. No huge product package to join. Hindi mo kailangan mag-purchase ng mga maraming products or kailangan mo maglabas ng 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Hindi na natin kailangan yan. In fact, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano lang yung kailangan to be able to join Live Good. No huge auto chef. Ano naman yan? Yan yung mga requirements monthly para lang makuha mo yung commission mo. Imagine, pinagtrabahuhan mo na, hindi mo pa makuha kasi kailangan mo mag-qualify. Wala na po yan. Alright? No back to zero. Ano naman yan? Yan yung every end of the month, talagang pinipilit nung mga ibang distributor from other companies na talagang mag-rank up kasi alam nila the following month, the following day, pag nag-change na ng buwan, back to zero sila. Production nila zero ulit. Tatrabahuhin na naman nila yon, alright? So no forced buying of products here as well. Okay? Pero sa ganda ng produkto, kayo mismo talagang bibili. Alright? So no selling, kung walang selling, wala ring quota. Okay? Kasi si Live Good, premium health quality products at almost factory price. Yes, maririnig niyo mamaya yung mga products na available for us to buy in Live Good, napakaganda ng mga quality pero yung presyo napakababa. Okay, eto, usually sa ibang company sa huli nila sinasabi to kailangan i-excite ka muna nila, pagpataasin yung emotion mo. Bakit? Kasi nga napakamahal nila to join. Sa atin ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na it's only $49.95. One-time fee, that's almost 3,000 pesos lang. Join ka na, member ka na, pwede ka nang kumita dun sa compensation plan. Alright? And then yung monthly mo, $9.95. That will be considered as your subscription to remain a member. Ganun lang siya kababa, 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos a day, may sukli ka pang 20. Diba? Pambili mo ng corneto. Okay. You retain your rank without working for it monthly kasi nga wala nang back to zero eh. 'Di ba? So kung ano yung rank mo ngayon, pag nagpalit ng buwan, yun pa rin yung rank mo. All right? And then you buy only health products you want and when you want to. Hindi ka dito pipilitin bumili ng produkto. Kung ano yung gusto mong bilhin, yun lang ang bilhin mo. Kung kailan mo gusto bumili, tsaka ka lang bumili. And then, most importantly, you get paid for all your effort. Kasi nga walang qualification, hindi mo kailangan no force buying of products, hindi mo kailangan mag-qualify, walang auto ship. So kung ano yung tinrabaho mo, marireceive mo yung corresponding compensation for that. Alright? So paano nagagawa ni Live Good yun? Kasi nga, narinig nyo naman yung video, we adopted a different business model and that's membership or buyers club membership. Okay? But unlike any other membership club, Live Good is the membership club that pays. Just imagine, magkano yung subscription mo monthly to remain a member? $9.95. Yet, in time, babayaran at babayaran ka ni Live Good. Okay? Just to give you an idea, ano ba yung membership club? Ito yung ibang, some of the popular membership clubs out there. Si Amazon Prime, ang ino-offer niyan ay discount. Ang bibigay niya sa mga members niya, access lang para makapamili yung members nila dun sa portal nila where they offer their products at wholesale price. Okay? And that's their subscription is $14.99 or $139 per year. All right? Si Sam's Club parang discount club din 'yan. $100 naman per year sila. Si Netflix, Netflix is different kasi ang offer naman niya unlimited movies and shows, 'di ba? Pero may bayad 'yon. You pay $9.99, $15.49 or $19.99 depende dun sa package na binili mo. All right? Disney Premium pretty much like Netflix pero si Disney Premium naman ang ino-offer puro Disney shows. A Disney Premium, $10.99 or $109.99 per year. Now, ang pinakamalapit na mako-compare ko si Live Good is na membership club. Ito, si Costco Wholesale. But si Costco, physical store yan. Alright? Si Costco kasi, yung mga members nila, they give them a card or an identification para malaman nila kung sino yung pwedeng pumasok dun sa store nila. Kasi inside the store, they offer products na pagkamura-mura. Alright? Ngayon, their members have to pay $120 per year. Now, the reason why I said pretty much like Live Good, when you become a buyer's member, you would have access to the online shop where you can buy the health products ng napakaganda yung quality pero napakamura ng halaga. Alright? Kaya, ang maganda nito, how do we pay our membership fee? Through subscription. Pakita ko lang kung gaano kalaki yung mga subscription company. Zoom for example, itong Zoom napakaganda nito, napakalaki ng benefit natin dito. Imagine andito ako sa Laguna but I'm speaking to somebody in Hong Kong, in Sultan Kudarat, 'di ba? In the Middle East. Sometimes I even speak to somebody in the US or the UK. Ganon kaganda ang Zoom pero hindi siya libre. Diba? In fact, yung 100 participant dito, nasa $14 na rin. But look at this. $14 lang yung binabayad mo for the service, ano? Pero look at this. Zoom actually generated $2.65 billion annual revenue. Ganong kalaki ang kita ng Zoom kahit ganong kaliit lang yung sinisingil nila sa subscribers. Bakit? Kasi ang daming nagsusubscribe sa kanila. Look at Netflix, 230.75 million subscribers. Magkano kinita niya? $31.6 billion in annual revenue of 2022. Imagine that, from $9.99 per subscriber, umabot ng 31 billion. Si Costco, ayan, si Costco, yung sinabi kong pinakamalapit sa Live Good. 59 million members household, 107 million cardholders. Karamihan, halos lahat ng mga members nila nagbabayad ng subscription nila. Bakit? Kasi nga gusto nila yung benefit na nakukuha nila. Alright? Magkano kinita sa membership ng Costco? $3.5 billion lang naman. The reason I'm showing you this is because ganyan kalalaki ang industriya ng membership club tsaka subscription. And Live Good is a membership club and a subscription. Yun yung business model na inadapt natin. However, Live Good is different from these companies. Kasi lahat ng companies na to, hindi ka babayaran. Subscribers lang nila yung nagbabayad sa kanila. Right? However, etong maganda. Live Good is a membership club that pays. Yung $9.95 mong monthly mo, or kung gusto mong makatipid pa, may $99.95 per year. Makakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. Remain a member, stay a member, and eventually you will be paid. Do the business, you will be paid even more. Alright? Sino ba si Live Good? How did we start? Live Good was launched globally last December 13, 2022 with its business of wholesale club membership. So club membership talaga yung naging business model natin. Alright? And phenomenal yung naging growth ng Live Good. Kasi noong December, 2,000 members pa lang. In fact, noong January, when we started here in the Philippines, nasa 5,000 members pa lang. Pero nung pumalo ng April, umangat na ng 250,000 members. Ngayon, as we are talking right now, umaabot na tayo ng 660,000 members. And yung prediction natin, December 2023, lalagpasan natin yung 1 million members na yan. In fact, yung personal prediction namin is hindi na tayo aabot ng December, baka November pa lang maabot na natin yung 1 million na yan. So why are people looking into Live Good? I'll give you 6 good reasons. Number 1, amazing products. Mamaya maririnig nyo, napakaganda ng quality ng ating mga products. Yung mga products na available sa online shop ni Live Good, wow, the best. Okay? Pero kahit katataas ng kagaganda ng mga quality niyan, napakababa ng presyo. Yun yung number 2, incredible prices. Alright? Number 3, in business side naman, no more auto shipping. So wala na yung hard qualification para lang ma-receive mo yung iyong commission. Number 4, no monthly products to buy. Hindi ka dito pipilitin bumili ng product, pero sa ganda ng produkto, ikaw mismo bibili. And sa ganda rin ng produkto, we're the only company offering 90-day empty bottle. money back guarantee. Kasi yung iba in-offer 7 days lang, 30 days lang. Tapos pag soli mo pa, dapat may laman. Talagang hindi mo nagustuhan. Dito, ubusin mo yung produkto, isoli mo, sabihin mo, hindi mo nagustuhan, ibabalik sa iyo yung pera mo. No questions asked. But even if we're offering that, napaka-konti po ng returns ng products ng LiveGood. And none of them is because of ayaw nung there could be some problems with their customs or the countries nila, pero very few yung ayaw yung produkto. Right? That's the reason why LiveGood is the #1 business to join. Because LiveGood also offer opportunity. Okay, unlike most home business opportunities, LiveGood is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Yun yung problema eh. Kaya minsan binabaliwala natin yung health and wellness kasi nga ang mamahal, mahal magpaka-healthy, ang mamahal ng produkto pero tinatanggal natin sa LiveGood yan. That's why if you have the passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, and if you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, LiveGood is for you. Yes, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but this is a get-rich-sure business. Kung gagawin mo lang yung business ng dire-diretso, tuloy-tuloy at sa tamang pamamaraan, definitely yayaman ka rito. Ang dami na pong yumaman. Sa Pilipinas pa lang, grabe. Ang dami nang nagbe-benefit dito sa LiveGood opportunity na to. Alright? And LiveGood is a club membership that pay. Kanina ka pa paulit-ulit. You can earn money as a club member of LiveGood whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Na let's say for example, actually, we highly even then, kung halimbawa wala ka talagang marirefer na tao, babayaran ka ni LiveGood. You would still earn from LiveGood. So sino ba si LiveGood? LiveGood is actually a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital service industry. Narinig nyo yon, wellness and digital service. Yan po ang pinaka-trending na industriya ngayon. Bakit? Because of the pandemic, nalaman natin kailangan nating maging well and healthy, right? So medyo aware na yung mga tao na kailangan nila ng health products. And digital service, again, because of the pandemic, nag-lockdown tayo, naging online yung schooling, online yung mga board meetings, even paying of bills, even ordering of goods, online na lahat. So digital services, trending na trending. And guess what? Pinagsama ni LiveGood yan, dalawang trending na industriya yan sa ating company. Alright? LiveGood is actually based in Florida, USA. To be more specific, Jupiter, Florida, USA. And our mission? To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Alam mo, tuwa ako dito sa mission na to eh. Kasi yung ibang company, company-centered eh. To be the #1 direct sales company in the world, to be the #1 in the nutritional supplement space, si LiveGood, mas center siya dun sa tao. They want people to save money. They want people to win, actually. Diba? They want to help people. Which is for me, napakaganda. Napakagandang mission nito. Now, sino ba yung mga taong nakaisip ng LiveGood? Eto, #1, our CEO. Siya po yung nagsalita kanina. He is very on hand in the business. Okay? Siya yung nagsasalita kanina dun sa video na napanood natin nung start. And he is the one explaining ano si LiveGood. Now, Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. And Ben knows how to help people win. At yun talaga yung sinaluloob niya. Gusto niya lahat tayo mag-succeed. Okay? If only you can hear Ben speak sa mga webinar, sa mga training niya, makikita mo talaga yung pagka-kind-hearted niya. And he's a very humble guy. Talaga. You would learn to like this guy. The moment na mapanood mo siya, it's really good. And then what did he do? Nag-form siya ng team. Team of also equally good people. Okay, Ryan Goodkin, our Director of Product Development. He's a doctor of pharmacy with an understudy on health supplements. Okay? Dalawang science pinagsama niya as he formulates the product. At ang sinabi niya, I formulate product not to sell but for my family to use. Kaya tayo, safe na safe tayo dyan kasi no man would give anything to his family that would harm them. Right? Kaya yung mga tinitake natin products ng Live Good, alam natin hindi lang effective, very safe pa. Lisa Goodkin naman is our Director of Product Education. She's a wellness coach naman. Holistic yung dating niya. So she's not just going to teach you about the supplement, she's also going to teach you about exercise, sleeping habit. Okay? Kasi ang gusto niya maging healthy yung mga tao. Nader Kazan is a legend in the network marketing and he is our Director of Network Marketing. He has over 40 years of experience in network marketing. He has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Ang maganda nito, tinanggal yung bad and ugly at pinaganda lalo yung good at inadapt sa Live Good. That's the reason why yung growth natin talagang exponential. Umabot tayo ng 660,000 in a matter of 8 months. All right? So just to give you an idea, Live Good is a buyer's club. Meaning if you are part of Live Good, then you would have access dun sa mga products na binibenta nila sa online shop. Okay? Ano yung mga products na yan? We actually have over 15 life-changing products. We started with 15, ngayon nasa 19 na. At padagdag lang ng padagdag yung pipeline natin ng mga products. Alright? All our products are of highest quality, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So we're not just making sure na maganda yung pagmamanufacture ng mga ingredients, we're also making sure na maganda yung lahat ng ingredients na pumapasok sa ating mga produkto. Alright? And since papagamit nga ni Dr. Ryan yung mga produkto natin sa kanyang family, we're also sure na no harmful ingredients go inside. Alright? All our products are made in USA, GMP approved. Just to give you an idea, napakataas ng standard niyang good manufacturing practice na yan. Hindi sila basta-basta nag-a-approve. But all our products are approved by GMP. Because all our products are lab tested for purity and potency. And to prove that, we're very transparent kasi meron tayong certificate of analysis for each of our products. Okay? And it's available in our website. Hindi natin tinatago yan para pakita natin na talagang ang taas ng quality ng products natin. Kasi ang target ng Live Good, wellness for all. We have so many products kasi hindi mo naman talaga kailangan lahat ng products na yon. Kung ano lang yung kailangan mo, yun lang ang bilhin mo. Diba? Kasi nga, ayan, sample, men and women's health. Men and women has different physiological needs. We have products for men and for women. Nutrition ang problema mo, meron tayong produkto dyan. Skincare and aging, kung gusto mo, pampaganda, meron din tayo dyan. Body cleansing, napaka-importante kasi we need to remove all the toxins in our body. Meron po tayong product for that. Immunity, also, again, napaka-importante kasi our immune system is yung pang-combat natin sa mga diseases na gustong pumasok sa katawan natin. So kung mataas yung immune system natin, definitely, very seldom tayong magkakasakit. Weight management, ang problema sa weight, underweight or overweight. Meron tayong products for both. And then energy, kasi nga yung lifestyles natin, pati mga kinakain natin, talagang most of the time nanlalata tayo or what we call lethargic. We also have products for energy. And what's good about it is all our products are available in over 200 countries. I'm not saying na meron tayong warehouses sa lahat ng countries. No. But we are ready to ship. The moment you order online, pay for what you ordered, ipapack agad yan tapos isi-ship na yan. Alright? Ang maganda niyan, bibigyan ka ng link para matrack mo kung nasa na yung products na in-order mo. And it's going to be delivered to your doorstep. Alright? I'll make a pause for a while. Yes, guaranteed po yan. Kasi yung mga orders namin, nakakailang orders na kami, lahat po dumarating, wala pong pumalya. Okay, so your question may be, how do you order products? You can actually order either as customer or member. As customer, you pay retail low prices. Pero when you become a member, you pay even lower prices. Because Live Good members saves up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Which is true kasi matataas talaga yung products ng other companies kasi yung tawag dyan price gouging. Kasi yung ginagawa ng mga companies, nilalagay nila dun sa presyo ng products nila lahat ng overhead. Rent nila sa warehouse, rent nila sa office, sweldo ng country managers and staff, nandun yun sa even yung compensation ng mga top earners nila, kinakarga nila sa products. That's the reason why mahal na yung produkto nila, pinipilit pa nila yung mga distributors bumili. That is what we're putting an end to. Okay? Kaya ayan, tignan nyo yung image na nasa screen nyo, si David and Goliath. Live Good is like David right now. Maliit pa yan kasi bago pa nga lang, December pa lang nag-start. And then si Goliath naman, yan yung mga giant of the industry, still practicing price gouging. We want to put an end to that. No, we're not after these companies. We're after the end of price gouging. Kasi mali nga naman na imagine $10 mo manufacture, binebenta mo ng $120. 'Di ba? Now, damang-dama na nila yung presence ni Live Good. Kasi nga yun, 120 sa kanila, nakita nung bumibili sa kanila, $10 lang sa Live Good eh. Might as well buy from Live Good. So naglilipatan na po yung mga customers nila, pati yung distributors nila. Kasi hindi na masikmura magbenta ng $120 na product when actually pwede siyang bilhin ng 18 or even $10 or even $15. Kaya po nararamdaman na ng mga giant companies yung presence ni Live Good. Ito nga yung sabi ni Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. We're putting a stop to that. We're putting an end to that. And just to show you price comparison of our products compared with that of other brands, ito po, our CBD oil. Our CBD oil, ito number 1, 750 milligrams tayo. Yung competitors natin, 500 and 550 milligrams lang. But look at the prices. $79.95, $89.95. Tayo, $18. Diba? Mas maganda na yung sa atin, mas mura pa. Alright? And then our Super Greens. Si Super Greens, that's a combination of different botanicals giving you the nutrition you need. Alright? Pinakamalapit dyan si Athletic Greens and Organifi Green Juice. Tignan nyo yung presyo. $99.99 and $69.99. Sa atin, 18. So let's say for example, you are a distributor of these products. Definitely, pag nakita mo si Live Good, lilipat ka na lang kay Live Good. And then let your customer enjoy the great discount as well. Right? Eto pa, kung pampaganda naman yung hanap mo, ageless skin serum. Kanina sa video, binanggit ni Ben Glinsky to. Over 1 million items sold for $59.50. Sa atin, $14.95 lang. May mas mataas pa nga, $86. Ganyan kababa yung presyo natin. Pero yung quality natin, napakataas. Alright? Ito, collagen peptide. Sa ibang companies kasi, pag sinabi mong collagen lang ang laman. Dito, dinagdagan pa ng ibang ingredients ni Doc Ryan para talagang mas maging maganda. By the way, collagen, pampabata yan. Pampabata yan, pampalakas ng mga buto, at the same time, pampasmooth ng mga skin natin. Alright? Look at the price, $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, $27.95. Now, if you choose to become a customer lang, you still pay low retail price kasi $39.95 lang. Pero pag member ka, mas mababa, $27.95. So bakit nga ba may retail price tsaka members price? Kasi nga, pwede namang customer ka lang, hindi ka member. Pero mas mababa mo pa rin makukuha yung mga products. Okay? Sample, our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for Men and Women. Pag retail mong binili, $17.95. Pag nag-member ka, $9.95. So mas malaki yung magiging savings mo. And just think about it, magkano yung membership fee natin? $9.95 lang a month. So bumili ka lang nito for you and your spouse. Isang for men, isang for women. Talagang dun sa savings pa lang, makukuha mo na yung pambayad dun sa membership fee. Right? And then ito, Super Greens natin, $29.95 retail, $18 lang pag member ka. Imagine that, $11.95 yung natipid mo. Or Organic Super Reds naman, ito, pampaganda naman ng ating circulation, blood circulation, di ba? Kasi pag maganda yung blood circulation natin, nade-deliver lahat ng nutrition and oxygen to the different cells, different tissues, different parts of our body para maging optimum yung kanilang performance. Alright? $29.95 for retail, $18 lang if you're a member. Ito yung sinasabi ko, pampasexy. Okay? Or healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms. Kasi yan daw, pag ininom mo, feeling mo busog ka, So, if you drink that more often, mas lessen yung magiging pagkain mo. Pero napakaganda ng nutrition niya. Alright? Tapos, para rin siyang coffee. Nagiging nagiging more focused ka rin, pero hindi ka nanginginig. Wala yung jittery effect ng ordinary coffee. It's for retail price of $28.95 and for member, it's only $17.95. Kung ang habol mo naman, bodybuilding, muscle toning, muscle leaning, eto sa iyo, complete plant-based protein. Okay? Members price is $22 lang as compared to retail of $34. Ang laki ng matitipid mo, $12 agad. Right? And just to show you na talagang murang-mura tayo kasi meron tayong package composed of 7 products for only $99. Narinig nyo kanina, di ba, yung isang product ng ibang company, $99, isang product lang. In fact, kung yan, hahanapin mo ng katumbas dun sa market ngayon, you would need to pay $278.75. Sa Live Good, $99 mo lang makukuha. Ganun kababa yung mga presyo natin. Pero hindi natin sinasacrifice ang quality ng ating products. And dumarating to your doorsteps yung mga products na i-order mo from US. So how do you become a Live Good member? Kasi nakita mo I want to enjoy the discount. I want to become a member. May nag-invite sa inyo dito or somebody has given you this link. So that's why you're here in this presentation. Ask for their sponsors link kasi doon ka magre-register. And then, mag-lock in ka na, you pay $9.95 per month. Or if you want to be discounted, you pay $99.95 for 1 year. Makakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. Ngayon, member ka na, you can buy the products at member's price. Or kung i-describe ko nga, almost factory price. Alright? Pero ito tanong, kasi as a member, you get to enjoy the discount. You get to enjoy the very low prices. But the question is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Yun yung, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka per month. Kasi pag per month yan, tuloy-tuloy yan napapasok sa'yo. Diba? If you're interested, kasi na-discuss ko na si company, na-discuss ko na yung products available on our online shop, I now want to discuss kung paano naman yung kitaan dito sa Live Good. To be able to do that, you have to become an affiliate member. Ano ba yung affiliate member? Para tayong referral partner. Kasi nga direct sales company si Live Good, hindi nag-a-advertise yan sa TV, sa magazine, sa radio, or even the internet. Pero as a company, kailangan niyang malaman ng maraming tao. Paano ngayon yan? Through word of mouth. Tayong mga affiliate, tayo ang mag-i-introduce sa mga kaibigan natin, kaklase, kamag-anak, at kung sino-sino pa about Live Good so that they themselves would want to become an affiliate member. Kasi Live Good also give the opportunity to earn income in the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, yung compensation plan natin, may sarili akong description dyan. Most generous compensation plan in the industry. Mamaya makikita nyo. So how do you become an affiliate? Again, go back to the person who invited you. Since bumalik ka na rin lang, pasalamatan mo na para dito sa opportunity inopen sa'yo. Get their link, register, lock in your position, and then pay for $49.95. Ano ba yung $49.95? $40 dyan, one-time fee lang. That's the affiliate fee. And the $9.95, that's your membership, monthly membership. Okay? So since one time lang si $40, the following month, $9.95 na lang babayaran mo. Affiliate member ka na nga. What do you get as an affiliate member? Number one, access to the membership club. Meaning, as a member of the Buyers Club, di ba, pwede ka na ngayon maka-access dun sa online store mo mismo at dun ka mamili ng produkto at member's price. Alright? So remember that. Your affiliate, as an affiliate member, magkakaroon ka ng access dun sa online shop. In fact, magkakaroon ka ng sariling online shop. Whereby, pag nag-login ka, mabibili mo yung mga health products na binibenta ni LiveGood at a very low price. Alright? Plus, since you're going to refer LiveGood to most of your friends, alam ni LiveGood kailangan mo ng tool. So bibigyan kanya ng 3 website. Number 1 would be your business site. Sa business site, dun mo imo-monitor lahat ng nangyayari sa business mo. Nag-refer ka ng tao, makikita mo doon. Yung tao mong na-refer, nag-refer din, makikita mo rin doon. Alright? Pati earnings mo, makikita mo doon. And don't worry, it's user and password protected. Just don't forget your username and password. And don't give it away to anybody. Remember, ang daming hackers ngayon. Kaya nga ang pinaka-suggestion namin dito talagang mag-login ka only in LiveGood website. Don't just hit any link or mag-download ng apps. Wala pong apps si LiveGood. You go directly sa website, doon ka mag-login. Okay? So that you would be safe. Alright? And then number 2 natin is an online shop. Para ka magkakaroon ng sarili mong Shopee and Lazada. Yun nga lang, andun yung pangalan mo. And all the products available on that shop will be the LiveGood products. Yan yung ibibigay mo dun sa mga customers na ayaw naman mag-members pero gusto yung products. So they would buy the products at retail. Kasi mas mura pa rin compared to other companies. Okay? Yung number 3 is a powerful landing page. Ang bubulaga or abubungad sa mga makakatanggap nitong landing page na to is yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining about LiveGood. Alright? Ito naman yung ibibigay mo dun sa mga gusto mong makasama dun sa negosyo. Yung mga magiging affiliate members din na katulad mo. Alright? So ikaw, nagbayad ka ng $49.95, sila, they would also pay $49.95 to become affiliate members. By the way, how do we pay? Through credit card. Okay? And since our debit card here in the Philippines is also Masters or Visa, pwede rin natin gamitin yan. Pati yung mga virtual cards, Master and Visa din yan. Pwede rin natin gamitin yan. Okay? Kung marunong ka sa crypto, pwede ka rin magbayad through crypto. Alright? So that's the way we pay for our subscription as well as our affiliate membership. Alright? Now, as an affiliate member, ito pinakamaganda. You get to participate in the compensation plan, which I'm going to discuss right now. So I want all eyes on the screen para wala kayong ma-miss. Ito na, pag-uusapan na natin yung sinasabi kong LiveGood ang tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Ito na, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano tutuparin ni LiveGood yung mga pangarap nyo. Alright? Our compensation plan is powered by Unilevel and Force Matrix. Dalawa pong structure ang meron tayo dito. Unilevel, di ba sinabi ko magre-refer kayo ng tao para maging affiliate member din? Ang gagawin ni system, ilalagay yan directly under you sa Unilevel structure. So that would be your level 1. And then, yung mga taong yan, encourage mo also to refer others of their friends to LiveGood. Ngayon, pag nakasuccessfully refer sila themselves, ilalagay ni system yan sa ilalim nila. Which is nasa pangalawa mo, second level mo. And if the same thing happens dun sa mga taong yon, that would be your third level. Why is this important? Kasi up to the 10th level, pwede tayong bayaran ni LiveGood depending on our rank. Ang maganda nito, hindi ka pipigilan ni LiveGood sa pag-refer ng program. Okay? You could refer as many as 10, 100, 1,000, up to you. LiveGood will not stop you kasi infinite wide yung iyong first level pagdating dito sa Unilevel structure. Ano naman yung force matrix? Si force matrix, here's how it goes. Kunyari, ikaw yung nasa ibabaw. Ang ikakabit lang, by the way, force matrix, ang nag-a-assign niyan, ang naglalagay niyan sa ilalim mo is the system. System assigned yan, ha? So hindi mo pwedeng ipangako dun sa invite mo rito, sige pasok ka, bigay kita sa kanan ko, ikaw sa kaliwa ko. Hindi pwede yon kasi posibleng hindi siya dun ilagay ni Matrix. Pero definitely, nasa loob mo, nasa ilalim mo. Alright? So ganito yan. Kada isang tao, kakabitan lang ni system ng dalawa. So halimbawa, ikaw yung una, nag-refer ka ng dalawa, nakabit sa'yo, right? Under you, nakabit yung dalawa. Sa Matrix, but you decided to refer more people. Nakapag-refer ka ng another 4 people. Saan ngayon ilalagay yan? Kakabitan ni Matrix yung mga nasa ilalim mo na. Kasi napuno ka na eh. Nakabitan ka na niya ng dalawa eh. Pagdating sa Matrix, ikakabit niya na sa mga ilalim mo yon. Alright? Now, itong Matrix na to, pwede itong mapuno from either trabaho mo, yung mga na-refer mo, and remember, since we belong to a giant matrix, may tao rin sa taas mo, pwede rin manggaling sa trabaho nila, mga ni-refer nila. So that is called spillover. Ngayon, posible rin na yung mga nailagay sa iyo also did the business and started referring people, magdadagdag din yan sa matrix mo. So you see, in this matrix structure, force matrix structure, hindi lang sa iyo manggagaling yung mga tao. Alright? Now, this has nothing to do with pyramiding. Ganyan lang talaga magiging structure niyan. Kasi ikaw, lalagyan ka ng dalawa. Yung dalawa, lalagyan ng tagalawa. Magmumukhang triangular siya in shape. Okay? But this has nothing to do with pyramiding. Alright? Now, bakit importante itong dalawang structure na to? Because we have 7 ways to earn. And Live Good, or the system, will actually compute our earnings using these structures. Okay? Number 1 is weekly fast start. And number 2, retail commission. Ang gagamitin dyan yung unilevel structure. And then we also have matrix commission. Si force matrix naman yung pagbabasihan ni system dyan. And if you notice, meron nasa gitna, matching bonus. Si matching bonus kasi hybrid. Pagbabasihan yan, yung matrix tsaka yung unilevel. And then we also have other ways to earn like influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. I-discuss natin yan isa-isa. Alright? Excited na ba kayo makinig? Alright. So let's continue. First, weekly fast start bonus, 10 levels deep. The reason for that name is ito yung pinakamabilis na ma-earn dito sa Live Good. And ang release nito weekly. Kaya ito rin yung pinakamabilis na ma-receive. Alright? So remember, for example, ikaw ngayon, hindi ka pa affiliate, but you decided to become one right after this presentation kasi nga, biglang naging clear yung mind mo. So you paid the $49.95 under your sponsor's link. Now you're already an affiliate member. You decided to share the business to others. And fortunately, nakakuha ka ng mga tao who also paid $49.95. For every successful referral you make, Live Good will pay you $25. So in this example, 4 yung successful referral mo, meron kang $25, $25, $25, $25, $100. Right? Kailan mo matatanggap niyan? Kasi ngayon, Wednesday, ang cutoff natin is Thursday US time. Matatanggap mo yan the following Thursday, the following cutoff. So lahat ng mga maipapasok mo ngayon, this week until the cutoff, you would receive your $25 fast start bonuses the following Thursday or the following cutoff. But think about this. Wala akong sinabing auto ship, wala akong sinabing quota, wala akong sinabing volume requirements. In fact, wala akong sinabing kahit anong requirements except that you are an affiliate member. Pag affiliate, di ba? I-rewind ko. Pag affiliate member ka na at sinare mo yung product, ay sinare mo yung business, may naging affiliate member din, kikita ka ng $25. Di ba? So wala na tayong auto ship, walang quota, walang volume requirement, pero you would be paid according to the effort you put in. Just think about this. Mag-join ka ngayon, it's Wednesday. You still have until tomorrow and Friday 3 p.m. kasi nga US time yung cutoff natin. Thursday in the US yun. So, in that period of time, naka-join ka ng 2 tao. Affiliate member ka na, so you're qualified na. Naka-join ka ng 2, Live Good will pay you $25. And another $25 kasi 2 yung napasok mo. Magkano yung binayad mo? $49.95. Magkano natanggap mo? Matatanggap mo next Thursday? $50. So bawi agad yung pinang-affiliate membership mo. Alright? Ngayon, ito yung sinasabi natin. Yung 10 levels deep, ito yung pinakamaganda. The reason why we encourage you to do direct referral talaga kasi that's the only way you would rank up fast. Alright? Kasi may mga ranking tayo dito eh. Ang unrank, yun yung mga bagong sali. Wala pang successful referral na nagagawa. Or isa pa lang. Okay? Pero makaisa ka man, bibigyan ka pa rin ng $25. Ito maganda. Pag nakadalawa ka, bukod sa nabawi mo yung $49.95, magiging bronze ka pa. You would enjoy the second level na. Meaning, ano ba yung second level? Yung nirefer ng nirefer mo. So kung yung dalawang successfully referred mo, kumuha ng Tagalawa din, meron ka pang $5 for every person na mare-refer nila. And if you continue to rank up, pag nag-silver ka, you can enjoy up to level 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, up to level 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, you enjoy up to level 7 and 8. Ang maganda, pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw ang pwedeng mag-enjoy up to level 10. Ganon siya kaganda. You see, ang maganda niyan kasi you are creating leverage. Nagle-leverage ka na dun sa mga taong nasa organization mo. You are leveraging on them doing their business. Pero kumikita ka pa rin. Yan yung tinatawag na passive income. You have very minimal or no participation in the business at all, pero may income na pumapasok sa'yo. So bakit ka bakit ka magi-sponsor ng isang tao lang or dalawang tao lang when in fact you can sponsor as many as you want? Kaya encouragement namin dito, go wide. Go wide. Sponsor as many as you can. Alright? So yan yung fast start bonus natin. Next, matrix commission. Na-discuss ko na yung matrix, di ba? Pwedeng manggaling sa iyo yan, manggaling sa mga taong nasa taas mo, or even manggaling dun sa mga mapunta sa matrix mo. Either way, whether galing sa iyo, sa taong nasa taas mo, or dun sa mga napunta sa iyo, Live Good will pay you 25 cents for every person in your matrix. Okay? Ganun. Ano ba itsura ng matrix? Ayan po. Let's say ikaw yung orange man and the blue man are the people in your matrix. So ganun lang siya. Power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 100, 1024, and so on until umabot ka ng level 15. Bakit? Kasi up to level 15, babayaran ka ni Live Good. Ngayon, nabanggit kanina ni Ben, even without referring a single soul, you would still be paid. Okay? Ito yon. Ito yung ibig niyan sabihin. If you are unranked, meaning no matter how you tried, talagang siguro busy ka lang sa ibang activity, siguro meron kang ibang pinagkakaabalahan, kaya hindi ka talaga nakapag-refer ng tao. Even though, babayaran ka pa rin ni Live Good. Because you would still receive up to 12 levels. And pag napuno yung 12 levels na yan, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. Times 25 cents, that's $2,047.50. Hindi ka nakapag-successfully refer pero meron ka pa rin kinikita. By the way, hindi mo kailangan mapuno to ha. Magkaroon lang ng isang tao sa matrix mo, may 25 cents ka. Pag dalawa, 50 cents. Pag apat, $1. Think about this. Pag may 40 na sa matrix mo, you get paid $10. Magkano yung subscription mo? $9.95. So yung pangbayad mo sa subscription mo, kukunin mo na doon sa matrix income mo. Diba? Kasi tuloy-tuloy yan eh. Monthly yan eh. Kasi kinukuha yan doon sa $9.95 na monthly subscription ng mga tao na nasa matrix mo. And they would continue to pay that $9.95. Why? Because they themselves earn. And they themselves enjoy the discount, the low price products that they can buy in the online shop. Diba? Gugustuhin nila talagang magtuloy-tuloy yung membership nila. Alright? But why settle as unranked? Kaya nga kami, talagang encouragement namin, share the business, share the business, share the business. Kasi if you receive something good, talagang i-share mo. It's a second nature eh. Halimbawa, nakapanood ka ng magandang movie, what do? Kinikwento mo sa kakilala mo. Sometimes nga, spoiler ka eh. Uy, napanood mo na ba yun? No? Sagutin ka, hindi pa. Ay, naku, napakaganda. Ganito nga nangyari kayo. Di ba? Kasi excited ka eh. Nature mo na mag-share. Kumain ka sa masarap na restaurant, share mo sa friend mo. Now, eto, ganun din gagawin mo. You experience something good with Live Good, share it with your friends. 'Di ba? Eto nga lang ang kagandahan. When you do that, you get paid, 'di ba? Every successful referral may $25 ka. Tapos pag dumami ng dumami yung tao sa matrix mo, lalaki ng lalaki yung matrix income mo. Eto ngayon, pag naka-refer ka ng dalawa, naging bronze ka, 'di ba? Aabot ka na ng level 13. That's $4,095.50. That's for gold, bronze and silver. Pag gold ka na and platinum, maabot na ng 8,191.50 yung iyong matrix income. Pag diamond ka na, umabot ka na ng 16,000. That's 900,000 pesos month after month after month. Ganyan po kaganda yung matrix income. Pero maniwala kayo't hindi po ito ang talagang nakaka-excite na source of income. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Pero most likely may tanong kayo, paano naman, gaano kabilis mapupuno yung matrix na yan? 'Di ba? Ngayon ganito po, ito i-clear ko sa inyo. Kung hindi talaga kayo makakapag-refer, wala kayong control. Kasi manggagaling yung mga tao either sa mga nasa taas mo or kung may malalagay sa matrix mo na magtatrabaho. Wala kang control. But I can show you a way whereby you have control para pabilisin yung pagpuno ng matrix. Ito po, simple lang. Ikaw, pag join mo tonight, kumuha agad ng dalawa. Yung dalawa mo, bakit ka kukuha ng dalawa? Unang-una, mababawi mo yung $49.95 na affiliate membership mo. Pangalawa, magiging bronze ka, aabot na ng 4,000 yung matrix income mo in time. Alright? Pangatlo, yung matching bonus, i-discuss ko pa lang pero sabihin ko na. Pangatlo, yung 2,000 supposedly matatanggap mo, magiging 6,000 yun. Alright? Ganun kalaki yung difference ng pag-refer lang ng dalawa. Alright? Ano gagawin mo doon sa dalawang ni-refer mo? Sabihan mo rin, uy, kumuha ka ng dalawa. Kumuha kayong tagalawa para mabawi nyo yung $49.95 nyo. And at the same time, maging bronze kayo, aabot kayo ng level 13, yung matrix income nyo, aabot ng 4,000. And at the same time, may matching bonus. Ganon. So ganyan yan. Gawin yung kultura na every time na may sasali, immediately kukuha ng dalawa. Now, this will happen. This is what will happen if this happens every week. Okay? On the 12th week pa lang. Kasi nga yan, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. On the 12th week pa lang, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. So covered na kagad, pinabayaran ka na kagad ni LiveGood ng $2,000 dyan. 100,000 pesos yun. Eh kung pinagpatuloy-patuloy mo lang, actually ito nga yung tinuturo namin get to, teach to get to, then repeat. Meaning get to ka uli. Kasi gumagalaw na mag-isa yan Get to ka uli, teach those two to get to, then repeat. Get to. Ngayon, if you do that repeatedly, again and again, aabot ka ng diamond. Pag nag-diamond ka na, and if this happens talaga, it became a culture in your organization, on the 15th week pa lang, puno na yung 2x15 matrix mo. Ngayon, ano pipiliin mo? Yung may control ka o yung wala kang control? Umaasa ka na lang ng ambon galing sa taas o baha galing sa baba. Di ba? Mas maganda, take control. Get to, teach them to get to, then repeat. Yun lang po ang gawin nyo. At maganda nito, if you do that, magra-rank up ka pa. Nakita nyo naman yung difference nung mga nag-rank sa unrank. Alright, eto na yung most exciting source of income here in LiveGood, yung matching bonus. Okay, matching bonus is actually paid up to 5 generations deep. Di ba sabi ko ano yan? Hybrid combination ng unilevel tsaka matrix. Remember, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. Lahat ng isasali mo rito mapupunta sa loob ng matrix mo. But they themselves, they would have their own matrix. Therefore, they would have their own matrix income. Ang maganda nito, babayaran ka pa ni LiveGood ng matching bonus na 50% for every lahat ng matrix income ng mga direct referral mo. Alright? So let's say for example, imagine they would have their own matrix, they would have their own matrix income, bibigyan ka ng match ni LiveGood ng 50% sa mga matrix income nila. Alright? Let's say for example, naka-successfully refer ka ng 4 na tao, si A, B, C, tsaka si D. Ang gaganda ng pangalan nila, no? Anyway, si A for example, nagtrabaho, kumikita na ng 1,000 sa matrix niya. Ibibigay ni LiveGood ng buo yung 1,000 kay A. And at the same time, since ikaw ang nakapag-refer kay A, bibigyan ka pa ni LiveGood ng 50%. Magkano yun? $500. Si B naka 500, may 250 ka. Si C naka 100, may 50 ka. Si D naka 200, may 100 ka pa. Apat lang yan. What if may 10 ka? What if may 1,000 people ka na directly na refer? Each of them earning already in their matrices. Diba? Let's say for example, meron kang 10 tao. Each of the person you referred, kumikita na ng tagto 200 sa kanilang matrix. 50% of 200 is $100. 10 sila. That's $1,000. And that's going to be received month after month after month. At palaki lang ng palaki yan. Diba? Ngayon, ano naman yung generation dip? 5 generation dip. Ito yan. For every direct referral, meron kang 50%. Pag nag-rank up ka to silver, not only will you receive the 50%, you'll also receive 10% for the first and second generation silver. Pag nag-gold ka pa, may 5% ka pa up to 3 generation. Ano yung generation? Meaning lahat ng tao nung mga na-refer mo, meron kang kita doon. Okay? So you see, you get to be paid again and again and again. Sa platinum, up to 4th generation. Sa diamond, up to 5th generation, 3%. Okay? Ito kasi percentage, pakitaan kita ng monetary value. Ayan, let's say your first generation, direct sponsor mo, sa 10. 10 yung na-refer mo, successfully referred 10 people. Now, each of this member is already receiving $100 sa matrix niya. May 50% ka, that's $50. 10 sila. Diba? That's $500 for you. Now, nag-silver ka kasi yung 10 mo, kumuha ng 10, there's additional 100 people in your matrix. That's your second generation. Each receiving $100 na rin. 10% sa'yo, that's $10. 100 sila. That's $1,000. $1,000 for you. Pag nag-gold ka, yung 10 mo nakakuha ng 10 din, 1,000 yung nadagdag, that's your third generation. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila. 5% pa rin sa'yo, $250. 1,000 sila, 2,500 pa rin yun. Imagine pag platinum ka na, yung 1,000 na huling sumali, nakakuha ng tagpa 5 people. Direct refer nila yan. Hindi mo nakilala yan, di ba? That's an additional 5,000 in your team. That falls on your fourth generation. Now, yung 5,000 na yan, kumikita na lang ng $50 sa matrix nila. May 5% ka pa rin, 250. 5,000 sila. 12,500 pa rin yun. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to 5th generation matching bonus. Let's say yung 5,000 kumuha ng tag-5, that's 25,000 already. 3% na lang. At $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. 3% is 90 cents. Pero sa dami nila, 25,000 nila, umaabot pa rin ng 22,500 yung matching bonus mo. Ganyan po kalaki yung matching bonus. And if you think na talagang na hindi nangyayari to, eto, pakitaan ko lang kayo. Actually, we don't really do this, pero just for educational purpose, papakita ko sa inyo yung actual earning ng isa sa mga coach natin. Alright? I want you to take particular attention dun sa matrix bonus tsaka dun sa matching bonus. By the way, si matching bonus, ang makaka-receive lang yan are those who are referring people to the program. So kung unrank ka, hindi ka talaga nagre-refer, wala kang matching. Matrix ka lang. Okay? Ito, nung March, ang matrix niya is 225 pero yung matching niya umabot ng 600. 3 times more dun sa kanyang matrix. Okay? Nung April, 689 na yung kanyang matrix. Yung matching niya umabot na ng 3,429. That's 5 times more. Times 5 agad nung matrix niya. So ba't ka magtsatsaga sa matrix lang? Nung May, umabot na ng 1,100 yung matrix niya, pero yung matching niya, 7,500. 7 times. More than 7 times more nung kanyang matrix. So yun yung magiging difference ng mga hindi nakaka-successfully refer dun sa mga refer ng kanilang mga kaibigan to Live Good. All right? So I'll give you an example. Let's say for example, meron kang 30 directs. Yung 30 directs mo, each earning $6,000 na lang monthly sa kanilang matrix. 50% sa'yo, that's 3,000. 3,000 times 30, 90,000 din yon. Magkano yun in peso? 5 million po yun. 5 million po yun. Kung ganito kalaki ang monthly income mo, talagang matutupad mo yung pangarap mo, pangarap ng pamilya mo, ng biyanan mo. Talagang marami kang pangarap na matutupad dito. Ito yung sinasabi kong nakakatupad ng pangarap. Ito, 20 directs na lang. Tapos yung 20 directs mo, unfortunately, hindi nakapag-refer. Pero eventually, napuno yung matrix nila. Ang maximum na natatanggap nila, 2,047.50. 50% sa'yo, that's 1,023.75. 20 sila. May 20,475 ka. That's 1,146,600. Lahat ng utang mo bayad na. Pati utang ng biyanan mo, binayaran mo na rin. Di po ba? Kasi monthly yan eh. Di ba? Kasi monthly rin nagbabayad ng subscription yung mga taong yan eh. So monthly mo matatanggap yan. Now, there would be people na sasabihin sa'yo, I would join you pero pagbibigyan lang kita. Yes, I would remain a subscribers. I would remain a member kasi gagamitin ko rin yung discount. Pero I will not refer anybody to the system. Humingi ka ng pabor. Sabi mo, sige, okay lang yon. Tanggapin mo pa rin, mahalin mo pa rin. Pero sabi mo, favor na lang for you and me. Ipasok mo yung dalawang family member mo, your wife and your kid. Ipasok mo sa system. Kasi ito mangyayari sa'yo. Pag napasok mo yung dalawa, magiging bronze ka. Yung matrix mo, pag napuno, aabot ng $4,095.50. Yung dalawa mo, each of them, pag napuno yung matrix nila, they'll receive 2,047.50 times 2, that's 4,095. Ngayon, may 50% ka pang matching sa kanilang dalawa. That's a total of 2,047.50. Pag inad mo lahat yon, instead na nag-iisa ka, na ang maximum na kikitain mo is $2,047.50, ang magiging family income nyo aabot ng $10,238. And that's 573,328 in pesos. Monthly income. Ay pasasalamatan ka ng kaibigan mo. Kasi instead na 100,000 lang yung kanyang future income sa Live Good, ginawa mong 573,000. Right? So ganyan po kaganda ang pagre-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good. Now we have a vision. Ang vision natin dito sa Dreammaker Worldwide is to have 100 solid directs. Ano yung solid directs? When you say solid directs, kung ano yung goal mo, kung ano yung dream mo, kung ano yung vision mo, kailangan yun din yung vision ng mga direct referrals mo. So if you want to become Crown Diamond, then sila din magiging Crown Diamond. Now, time will come, they will all become diamonds and lahat ng matrices natin mapupuno. Magkano yung kita ng diamond? 16,383.50 sa matrix. 50% of that is 8,191 times 100 diamonds in your matrix. Magkano yon? That's $819,175. That's 45 million. 45 million pesos. That's more than 45 million pesos monthly income. So at this point, talagang kaya mo nang magtayo ng foundation. Not just to support a foundation, but to form a foundation that would help people talaga. People who are in need. Okay, definitely, ang laki na ng giving mo dun sa church. Kaya mo na nga magpatuyo ng simbahan para dun sa community niyo eh. Di ba? At ang laki na ng matutulong mo sa community. So you see, when you do Live Good, when you do Live Good business, you will become generous. And that's our calling. Not to keep the income to yourself, but to share it to many people. And guess what? Lahat ng mapapasok mo dito, you would bless their lives. You would change their lives for the better. Okay? So let's say for example, tuloy-tuloy ka lang nagde-direct 10 years after, 20 years after, kasi definitely Live Good would be there many, many, many years after. Let's say 20 years after, umabot na ng 1,000 yung direct referrals mo. 6,000 na lang yung matrix income nila, 50% of that is 3,000. Times 1,000, that's $3 million. Magkano in peso yan? 168 million pesos. Posible pong mangyari yan. Kasi hindi ko naman sinabing mangyayari bukas. Hindi ko nga sinabing 5 years eh. Sinabi ko 10, 20 years. Umabot ng 1,000 yung directs mo. So possible pong mangyari yan. And if this happens, talagang ang dami mo ng dreams na tinupad. Alright? Now, the key here is to continuously do direct referral and to continuously advance in rank. But let me show you a very simple way of advancing in rank. Kasi yung pinakita ko kanina, get to, teach them to get to, then repeat. Pampabilis po mapuno ng matrix yon. Ito po pang-advance ng rank. Okay? Instead of just getting 2, you get 3. Teach those 3 to get 3. And then repeat. Alright? Ito mangyayari sa'yo. On the first, ikaw lang, tapos nadagdagan ng 3, naging 9, 27, 81. On the 7th week pa lang. Kung weekly mangyayari ito ha, talagang ginawa mong kultura na kukuha ka ng 3, tapos yung 3, no matter what, kailangan makakuha kayo ng tagatlo next week. Tapos ganun din yung ituturo nila dun sa 3 nila. 'Di ba? On the 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na. Kasi meron ka ng 3,279 people in your organization and kailangan lang ng diamond is 2,500. And then on the 10th week, crown diamond ka na. On the 11th week, talagang umaapaw na yung matrix mo. Ang dami mo nang na-bless na tao dito. Pati yung mga na-invite mo, pati yung mga na-invite nila, bine-bless mo na rin. Alright? So yan po. The reason why I'm emphasizing this is because yung iba kasi masyadong namamangha dun sa kahit wala akong recruit, pwede akong kumita. Yes, it's true. I'm not saying it's not true. But why? Why would you keep it to yourself when in fact you could share the business to as many as you want, as many as you can? Share the business to many people. Huwag niyong sarilihin yung Live Good. Kasi talagang the reason you are here is because God is expecting you to bless others through Live Good. Alright? Okay, meron pa tayong mga means to earns. Ito, retail commission 10 levels deep. Ano naman yan? Di ba meron tayong retail tsaka members price? Yung difference nun, may 50% ka pa. If ever yung customer bumili at retail price. Alright? So 10 levels deep yan ha. 10 levels deep. So let's say for example, balikan natin yun. Let's say for example, the retail price is $20, tapos yung members price is $10. The difference is 10, right? May 50% ka, so may $5 ka for every purchase na gagawin nung customer na nagbayad at retail. Alright? Ngayon, 10 levels deep yan. As you rank up, you get to enjoy deeper level. Pag nag-bronze ka, up to level 2 ka. Pag nag-silver, up to level 4 ka na. Pag nag-gold ka, up to level 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, all the way up to level 8, may enjoy mo. Pag nag-diamond ka, all the way up to level 10, ma-enjoy mo. Ang maganda niyan, hindi mo nakilala yung level 10 na yon. That's the power of leveraging. And leveraging is available here in Live Good. You can leverage to their business, to them doing the business. Sila yung nagninegosyo pero kumikita at kumikita ka pa rin. And remember, infinite wide yan. You can direct refer as many as you can. Okay, now to some of you who are already very popular in TikTok or YouTube, ito good news sa inyo. Meron tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. Ano naman yan? Meaning, in a month, pag malaki yung naging retail sales mo, dadagdagan ni Live Good yung percentage mo. Let's say for example, popular ka, ang dami mo ng follower, magtimpla ka ng kape, tapos inumin mo, nasarapan ka, then give them their link, give them your link, your online shop link. Tapos sabihin nyo, umorder din kayo ng coffee nyo dyan. Guess what? Magsusunuran yan kasi mga followers nga eh. Influencer ka na eh. You'll be influencing them buying coffee from you. Right? So let's say for example, umabot ng 2.5 yung monthly sales mo, plus 10% yan. Magiging 60% yung 50%. Pag naging 5,000 plus 20, 70% na. Pag nag-10 pa yan, 30 na yung idadagdag, 80%. Pag nag-25 pa, 40 na yung idadagdag, 90% na binibigay sa'yo. Ito maganda, pag nag-50%, iyon na. Iyon na yung difference ng retail price tsaka members price. Kasi yung 50%, dadagdagan pa ng 50% ni Live Good. Ganon siya kaganda. And this is possible, especially if you're an influencer with over 1 million followers. Ang bilis nito. Kaya tignan nyo rin to, may kita rin po dito sa influencer bonus. Ngayon ito pa, itong pinakamagandang income, ito yung talagang passive income. Ito yung residual income na tinatawag as diamond bonus pool. Ang nakakatanggap lang po nito, mga diamond. Kung ilan ang diamond ngayon, pinaghahati-hatian to. Ano ba to? 2% ng total sales of all membership and product sales. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kita na ang Live Good. Kukurot tayo ng 2%. Yung 2% paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond. Lahat ng diamond sa buong mundo. Kasi kita yan ng buong mundo. Hindi lang yan kita ng Pilipinas, kita ng US, ng Japan, kung saan man. Basta meron pong Live Good. Kita ng buong mundo, kukuha ng 2% paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond. Right now, we already have more than 40 diamond. Pero this is what I believe. This is what I've heard. Each of them are still earning, on the average, anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 monthly on their diamond bonus pool. Ganun po kalaki yan. Kasi profit sharing na yan eh. You're sharing on the profit of the company and all you did is become diamond. Alright? Ito pa malupit, Crown Diamond bonus pool. Kasi after Diamond, may Crown Diamond pang rank eh. Yung mga Crown Diamond, they're enjoying 0.5% additional ha. Meaning, may share na sila sa Diamond bonus pool, may additional pa silang 0.5%. Hindi nila by the way, dadalawa pa lang po ang Crown Diamond natin sa buong mundo. And we're so proud na yung second Crown Diamond is a Filipino and our very Coach Fernan Santiago. Yung first kasi si Tim Miller. 2 months ago siya lang mag-isa. Pero last month, dalawa na sila. Hindi nila dinidisclose yung kanilang Crown Diamond bonus pool. But from what I've heard, kaya pong bumili ng brand new na BMW yung Crown Diamond bonus pool nila. And since monthly nilang marireceive yan, monthly rin po nilang kayang bumili ng BMW. Alright, I'm not telling you this to nainggiting kayo or to na for shiny purpose or whatnot. No. I'm telling you this kasi once upon a time when they all started, lahat yan diamond lahat. Lahat yan diamond na yan, pati yung dalawang Crown Diamond natin, they all started as affiliate member. Yes, you heard me right. They all started like you and me. Ibig sabihin yan, we already have the first qualification to become diamond, to become Crown Diamond kasi tayo mismo affiliate member na. And if you're not yet an affiliate member and you want to enjoy this profit sharing, mag-affiliate member ka na after this presentation. Right after this presentation. Or kung gusto mo ngayon na, kunin mo yung link nung nag-invite sa'yo dito, mag-register ka na, pay the $49.95. That's it. That's it. That's all it takes to become an affiliate member. And then monthly subscription is $9.95, $10. Imagine kung saan sila dinala nung $49.95 nila tsaka nung $10 business nila. No, on the average, hindi na po bumababa ng kalahating milyon ang kinikita ng mga diamond. Alright? Siguro yung Crown Diamond hindi na bumababa ng 3 milyon, 2 milyon yung kinikita niyan monthly. Alright? Ngayon eto, pati naman I'm talking also dun sa mga affiliate members ngayon. Since na-hit na natin yung requirement, yung first requirement to be Crown Diamonds, let's go for it. Let's go for it and enjoy this benefit. 'Di ba? Sa atin na yan eh. All we need to do is grab it. Now for those na hindi pa nagde-decide kung magiging affiliate member or not, I'll give you 4 reasons. Number 1, we just officially launched. Bago pa lang po tayo, we're calling ourselves the pillar stage. Foundation pa lang yung fino-form ng Live Good. And don't look at the now, look at the future. Look at the future of Live Good. Kung yung mga subscription company, ganun karami yung mga members, tayo rin or even more kasi tayo we pay our members. 'Di ba? And guess what? With the structure that we have, walang pupuntahan yan kundi sa ilalim natin. So if you're not a member now, position yourself already as one of the pillars of Live Good. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Right now, we're starting with health products, pero definitely Live Good would add more to these products. Kasi nga, ano lang tayo eh, buyers club tayo eh. So as a member of the club, we get to access dun sa online store. Ngayon, ang available na products dun sa online store are health products. Time will come, meron diyang magkakaroon yan ng kung ano-ano. Magkakaroon yan ng household, magkakaroon yan ng ibang services din. Dadami at dadami yan. And then number 4, marketing system, tools and training. This is one of the tools you can use when you become an affiliate member. Right? All you need to do is send your invites here. Ako magpe-present. Ako magko-close. Kanino yung account? Sa'yo. Di ba? And there are so many other trainings available there. So many other tools available for you. We always have, every Monday US time, meron tayong product training with Doc Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. And then every Thursday, meron tayong cut-off Zoom. Tapos meron din tayong recognition and training the following day. Lahat yan, US. Tapos every Monday, meron tayong sarili nating training dito sa DMW. Every Monday, sinishare nila Coach Fernan and Coach Ferds ano yung sikreto nila kung bakit sila bumilis. Alright, samantalahin niyo yan, hindi basta ba. Sa ibang company po, most of the time, you'll be left alone. Pero dito, you would be left with the tools you need para mag-succeed. Ikaw na lang yung hinihintay. Number 4, simple, powerful, lucrative, and very, very, very generous pay plan. Alam niyo po, sinabi dito ni Ben Glinsky mismo, they are giving away 85% of the income dun sa mga sa fast start, sa matrix, sa matching, sa diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool. Pag sinuma total mo yan, that's 85% of the income of the company. 15% lang po nire-retain nila. And don't worry kasi talagang mabubuhay sila sa 15%. Diba? Just think about this. We are what? 600,000 na lang kunyari. 600,000 members na lang kunyari. $10 each ang binabayad natin subscription. That's 6 million. Ilan yung 15% niyan? 900,000 pa rin po. Ganun po kalaki yung pumapasok sa company. And they're giving away 85%. Alright? Kaya ako, ang description ko dyan, the most generous compensation plan. Now, we're starting with high-quality health products right now at a very low cost. Pero tulad nung sinabi ko kanina, Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. Okay? Padagdag na nga ng padagdag eh. Because Live Good intends to be the Amazon of network marketing. In Amazon, Amazon started with books. Just think about this. Nung nag-start ang Amazon, hindi ka ba sasali knowing that Amazon will be this big right now? Ngayon, ito na pagkakataon mo. Live Good is starting and it then intends to be the Amazon in networking space. Sumali ka na. Kasi ganun din, mas malaki pa siguro because Live Good would pay its members. Alright, ito nga yun eh. We're just on the tip of the iceberg. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo, pillar stage pa nga lang, hindi pa nga tayo pioneering stage eh. 'Di ba? We started with 2,000 members, ngayon nasa 660,000 members na tayo. In December of 2023, definitely mabibreach natin yung 1 million members na yan. Pero don't look at that, look at the future. Years from now, aabot tayo ng 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, even a billion members. And lahat yung 100 million na yan, pupunta lang sa ilalim natin lahat. We would all benefit from it. Right? So the decision is yours. Hindi ka naman namin pipilitin. I'm about to end, but I want to leave you with this. Kasi we all have different stories in our lives. We all have different struggles. If you're praying na bigyan ka ng opportunity, and then your friend happened to give you the link of this presentation, and then you attended, and then you finished the presentation all throughout, that's an opportunity being given to you. All you need to do is grab it. Kasi yung blessing ni God, ano lang yan eh, ipopour niya sa lahat ng tao yan eh. Pero ang tanong, bakit yung iba feel na feel yung blessing, yung iba hindi? Kasi yung iba tinatanggap yung blessing. Yung iba ayaw. 'Di ba? So don't overthink. I-grab mo yung blessing and start blessing others as well. Dito nga ang tanong namin, are you an A, B, or C? Actually, gusto ko nang i-disregard yung B and C dito eh. Pero open pa rin naman. Welcome pa rin natin yan. An A is an affiliate member. If you are an affiliate, do you want to be an affiliate member? Or B, do you want to become a member lang? Member ka lang enjoying the discount. Or C, you want to become a retail customer. You just want the products. All right? Either way, I suggest that you become an A. Mag-A kayo, mag-affiliate member kayo, and enjoy the benefit of the opportunity that's being laid to you. Now, what do you do next? You get back to the person who invited you and tell them that you're an A. All right? So, with that, I just want to thank you. Again, I'm Coach Mon Reyes. I'm Coach Mon Reyes saying thank you for staying till the rest of the presentation. And sige, we still have time for a quick Q&A. But before that, mag-short bathroom break lang ako ha.